I want to end a never-ending debate this evening. The mood is, can a team play better than another team in football and lose that game? I say no, a team cannot play better and lose. That is a contradiction in terms, because the aim of playing the game is to win. A team might have more possession and complete more passes and create more chances. But once they don't score more goals and allow less goals, they have played an inefficient game. The other team was more efficient and thus played the better game. That's why they win. The issue with this debate is that people are mixing up having offensive possession and more shots on goal, etc., with the totality of the term play. It is not. The scrappy, unattractive defensive play is also a part of play. And if that scrappy, ugly defensive play gets the required result over the pretty offensive game, then the ugly defensive team played better. So once such team scores more goals and allows less goals than the other team, such team achieved the required result and played better. End of this game. End of this debate.